me cigarette in my lungs. It's 11 in the morning and we still ain't done. And I'm still
They're going down the wrong way, down the one-way street. What the hell's going on here? She was so drunk, she got out, and he took over. Holy shit, just hit their car. Just hit the car. These people are drunk or high. This guy, he just hit their car. So now they're going speeding down the one-way street. This guy's not going to catch anybody.
往那边走，他在右边，你刚往左边，不是左边走啊？
他们两个人搞到我后面来了呀。
那你就不要动。我刚才后面在你右后面，不在你左，不在你
不是，那我正后面了已经，他们两个在追，你知道吗？我害怕，我看他们眼睛。
They're beefing。哎呦呦！
两个人绝对是在斗。
他们就要撞车。
因为他这两个人在搞事情。
就在搞事情。
have donated significantly to Sinema's campaign. She also wants to see a lot of money for job programs.
Like has Saturday, Indiana Republican Congresswoman Jackie Walorski. She was killed along with 2 staffers and another person in a 2-car crash in her district. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita got to know her well when she was a state legislator.
One of those.
Plan to make. The most technical one, I guess, is kind of a statute of limitations argument, right? So the statute of limitations is the time in which prosecutors can bring charges. You know, they have an expiration date. And his lawyers say that these charges are long expired. Now, on the...
Like, you wouldn't try to win $1,000 for free. Honestly, we're just trying to help you out. Whether it's for bills, vacation, you want to pay something off.
Part is sponsored by Compassion International. Drought, war, and rising food prices have doubled the number of families facing malnutrition. You can
buddy. Use your mirror. What?
TFW 1471. Hit and run, bitch.
TFW.
Oh! Use the mirrors, Dad! Use your mirror! Use your mirror, you We're in this lane! We're in this lane, you
Fucking light on, you cockhead.
Yeah, what?
Don't make a scene of this.
What?
Cunt. I'll knock you off your bike and jump on your head. Right?
Alrighty, yeah.
Don't make a scene, cunt, right?
You can't in front of us. You need to talk my mate
Put
out.
your light on.
What do you mean? Use your mirror.
You know what? You're supposed to have this on.
It is on.
Put the thing on.
It is on.
Or I will run over you next time.
It is
cunt.
on.
What?
I said it is on.
What?
It is on.
What'd you say?
I said it is on. Yeah, what of it?
Hey. Come on, cunt, get off your bike. Get off your bike, cunt. Get off your...
You see him hit me first, eh? Yeah, I'm good, yeah. He just hit my helmet. My head's fine, but...